Goodbye, processed packet of mystery ingredients. Box dinners can be a serious weeknight time saver. But what if I told you you could take that same box dinner and turn it into something way more wholesome, more nutritious, and far more delicious in just 30 minutes with 3 simple steps? It's a guaranteed dinner time win amongst the kiddos and the husband. Step 1, add spices. Place a very large skillet or a Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add 2 pounds of 80-20 ground beef and break it apart. Now you're gonna sprinkle over 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Continue to break up the meat, stirring in all of those spices, and cook for about 10 minutes or until that meat is completely cooked through, no pink showing. Use a slotted spoon to remove the ground beef and transfer it to a colander lined with paper towels to absorb any extra grease. Step 2, add vegetables. We're adding in some extra nutritional value and simultaneously adding flavor with some fresh chopped veggies. Add 1 yellow onion and 1 red bell pepper to the skillet. Saute until they're softened up about 5 to 7 minutes. Step 3, the cheese sauce. This is probably the biggest game changer in this entire recipe. Instead of using a packet of dry powdered cheese, we are going to make our own. For a lot of you, I know this is gonna be the most intimidating part of steering away from the box mix, but I want you to know that this is really easy and you can do this. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour over the vegetables and stir. Add 2 cups of whole milk to the mix, just 1 big splash at a time, stirring after each addition. Reduce the heat as necessary to maintain a simmer and simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's slightly thickened. Now we're bringing back the spices. You're gonna add a ½ teaspoon of chili powder, a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt, and a ¼ teaspoon of mustard powder to your sauce. Now you're gonna kill the heat and add in the cheddar cheese and give it a stir until nice and melty. At this point, if you wanna be extra decadent, go ahead and add in a ¼ cup of heavy cream and 12 ounces of cooked elbow macaroni noodles. Add the hamburger meat back in, give it a stir, and it's time to serve. This version is rich, creamy, and so much better in every single way. If you need more dinner time inspiration, be sure to check out my list of these easy, quick fix dinners. You can get dinner on the table fast using real ingredients with any one of these recipes.